Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Wahidah Karimatun Hidayah with student number 220142001 and I'm from Universitas Negeri Semarang. Today we are going to talk about movie review entitled Interstellar. Who has seen that movie? What do you think guys? Let's discuss together. Interstellar is a 2014 epic science fiction film directed by Christopher Nolan and produced by Emma Thomas, Christopher Nolan, and Linda Ops. The script for the film was written by Jonathan Nolan and Christopher Nolan. The film starring by Matthew McConaughey, Anna Hathaway, Jessica Chastain, and Michael Caine. The original script was written by Jonathan in 2007, followed by Christopher and Jonathan. Christopher produced Interstellar with his wife, Emma Thomas, through production house Syncope, and with Linda Ops through Linda Ops Production. This film presents a science fiction story with a fairly accurate approach to science about astronomy and physics. And now let's tell about evaluation. This movie tells the story of the search for planets to prevent human extinction caused by the Earth's increasingly damaged environment in 2067. The damaged condition of the Earth causes various kinds of disease outbreaks. And a film with a duration of 2 hours and 49 minutes will definitely make us dizzy because of its too long duration but the element presented will make us enjoy it. About the journey of the team of scientists who were sent into space to research the possibility of a planet that could be the next place for human life. Since the appearance of wormholes around the planet Saturn, the scientists decided to look for the planet. However, it did not produce satisfactory results, and finally, Coppers and 2 team members decided to do their own research. On the first planet, they only encountered ocean with very high waves, until finally, one of them did not survive. Because they ran out of Volto, they finally decided to go to the planet inhabited by Dr. Man. After that, it tells the story of a journey through space and time about a black hole that is haunted and creeping, and has a very strong gravitational force, and it's often considered a star or planet eater. When the Rangers team entered the first planet, they contained only ocean. They spent 23 years of Earth time, even though they only had a few moments on the planet. Likewise, every time they enter another planet, a short time for them in tens of years of Earth time. This film is actually simple, namely saving a survival of mankind by looking for the habitats in outer space. But as a Cooper travels through the vastness of the universe, his problems become more complex. Finally, when Cooper was rescued, he was 124 years old in immature physical condition, estimated to be around 40 years old when he left Earth. And Cooper finally met Murphy again, who was now very old toward an end of his life. Watching the Interstellar movie seems to take us along to explore the infinite vastness of the universe. We will also be given the science of physics and astronomy briefly, although it will be difficult for us to discuss through the scribbles of formulas, theories proposed by scientists, and philosophies from other scientific reference quotes. Commercially successful with revenues of $188 million. This film is also included in the top 10 highest grossing films in 2014. In terms of quality, Interstellar won the Best Visual Effect category at the Academy Award. The wormhole in this legendary film is shown as flashes of light that makes our eyes widen, but Christopher Nolan's appearance is enhanced in the film Interstellar by presenting a spherical wormhole, whose sight are galaxies across a distant sky. And when entering it, there is not only a flash of light, but also a spectacular view from the other side of the sky that has never been touched by mankind. Then there's another black hole display that is beyond our understanding as ordinary people. In conclusion, this film is very interesting with an unpredictable storyline. This film also teaches us about the differences in space and time that occur in this universe. Although this film is fiction, the explanation is proven by scientific evidence and theories. The appearance of objects in outer space that really looks like real and accurate according to the majority of scientists is amazing. And what's really amazing about this film is that in 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope team took photos of the appearance of a giant black hole similar to what is shown in this film. This film is one of those films that must be watched once in a lifetime. Just watch the movie and enjoy the adventure through time and space. So, what are you waiting for? Okay, I think it is enough and see you on my next video.